Hello, this is Andrew Undem with the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and we can't wait to show off 4118 Baker Lane right here in Perry Hall, Nottingham, Maryland 21236. This home sits on almost half an acre, beautiful stone Cape Cod, tons of exterior living space, and one of the best lots in the entire community. This home has 3 beds, 3 full baths, 1 on each level. The main level has a beautiful kitchen, tons of custom woodwork throughout, a all stone full masonry fireplace, and a bedroom on the main level complete with its own full bath. On the upper level, you have 2 bedrooms, beautifully set up, and an additional full bath. The basement is finished as well with a full bath and a workshop and a bonus living room area. So if you're looking for over 2,300 square feet on almost half an acre right here in Perry Hall in a well-maintained home with a ton of upgrades, again, 3 beds, 3 baths, come check out 4118 Baker Lane. It will not last long.